Hey, I'm Greg from WordPress, and today we're going to look at how to change our footer info. Right now we have this as the footer, and if you have a fresh install, it usually says something like proudly powered by WordPress, and then it says what the theme is, and that can be kind of annoying. And if you're buying your WordPress site through a host service, then you're going to have this editor menu item in the appearance menu. So why don't we go over to editor. And this is going to get a little dirty because we're going to be working in the code. And what we want is we want to work with the footer of the website. And what's very nice about WordPress is that it labels all these scary looking files for you. So we want theme footer, which is the footer.php. And if you can't find it, I would just recommend doing a Command F or Control F and typing in footer. And it's right there, theme footer. So we click on that. And we have this really scary looking stuff that a lot of people don't recognize, and that's fine, and you don't have to recognize any of this. What we want is we want to find this text, "We love WordPress." So I think if I grab "we love," that is going to be enough to find it in this weird looking file. So I do Command F again and paste that in. Here we go. We have this "we love," and then this strange symbol, and then WordPress over here. So we can change this to anything we want. And your theme may not look identical to this, but if you follow the same process, it should be pretty simple to find. So what we're going to do is I'm actually just going to get rid of this function right here. And what I want you to do is grab from this right bracket all the way over to this one. So if you delete it, then you should have both of these brackets facing each other with nothing in the middle. And then just type whatever you want. So I'm going to say WordPress powers this website. And what we're doing is we're taking out the PHP dynamic code that runs WordPress, and we're putting in our own code that we can change whenever we want later. So we have this, but we also have this ahref, and what this is this actually is the link. So if we click on this right now, this is taking us to google.com, which is fine, but what if we want to change that to something else? What if we want to change that to, I don't know, like Netflix for some reason? So why don't we grab Netflix and paste it in there. This is just an example. I don't know why you would do that. And if you wanted to open in a new tab, we're going to do some more code here. We're going to write target and then an equal sign, and then in quotation marks we're going to have an underscore and then blank. And this effectively opens up the page in a new tab. So hit the update file button and refresh. And now down here we have WordPress powers this website. And if we click on that in a new tab, we get Netflix. So that's how to change your footer information. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.